Today we're going to cover a book basically and repair it. The materials you'll need are a roll of contact, some tape, some spine tape, the labels necessary to put on the book, your squeegee, scissors and a cloth. First of all, you need to just give the book a quick wipe, just make sure it's clean, and to rub off any excess soiling. Check inside the book that there are no stains or crumbs or marks, and just check through the leaves to see what other repairs are necessary. For example, loose pages or any ripping. The next thing you can do is just to secure the spine, is to add on the spine tape. Cut off an estimated length from the reel and place it down the length of the spine inside the front cover. And then trim any excess away. Repeat the process on the back of the book, just in the same way that I'm demonstrating. Press the tape down firmly and preferably with no bubbles or creases. There were no rips in this book, but I did notice some loose pages at the spine. So we'll just secure that with some tape. So we'll remove the spine tape and we'll use our invisible tape. We'll just press the spine pages together, cut off the desired length, and then trim away the excess. And that is our tape done. The next thing we need to do is we need to put on a spine label. Put one in the bottom left hand corner, and then we need a label to show that it is a junior fiction book. The author is Tim Winton, so we use the W label. Trim it to size and place it in the top right hand corner of the book. Next we're going to cover the book. Place your book on the roll of contact, and you roughly need about 1 inch to 2 inches border around the book. Roll the book over, making sure that the spine gets used, and that would be the rough amount you'd need. Trim that off the roll. I have found that it's easier to fold the contact in half and form a crease, and that is where the spine of the book will lay. Open it out again, backing side up, and peel away a corner to about 1/3 of the contact. Then place your book, the spine of the book, on the crease and fold your book down. Smooth it down. Turn over your contact and smooth it down with no bubbles. Then pull away. Underneath you can see I'm pulling away the contact and I'm smoothing it down at the same time, ensuring there's no bubbles and no creasing. Continue until you reach the spine of the book. Then you turn the book over, open up the book, and we're going to trim and mitre the corners. So you mitre the corner place it onto the back of the cover. Mitre the second corner. Place it in the corner there. Then fold over your end. Go to the spine, trim away the contact towards the spine, fold it over. Back to the bottom of the book, trim away the contact, fold it over. And then just smooth down with your squeegee. And that's one side of the book covered. Now we'll cover the front. So roll the spine over and peel away the contact paper slowly to ensure we have no bubbles or creasing. Now I'm going to start peeling it away. Smooth the contact down as you're peeling. And there you go. This can be put in the bin. And then we repeat the process. We open the book out and we mitre the corners. Put the corner on the insides of the hard cover. And then again we fold the end over. Trim the contact up to the bottom of the spine. Fold it over. Fold it over, give it a nice little smooth with the squeegee. Close the book. And then this is when we just trim off the excess contact from the top and the bottom of the spine. And there you are, finished. One covered, new looking, repaired book. Thank you.